Hi, fourth graders. We're back with our next science experiment. So in the last science lesson, you guys learned all about what is energy and how energy affects certain things. For example, you guys watched the experiment of how heat energy affected how fast the dye disperses in the water. So today we're going to be thinking about energy again, but specifically potential energy. So here I have a ramp and a car, and we're gonna see and think about if the height of the ramp affects how far the car will go. So is the height of the ramp going to affect the amount of potential energy the car has as it's going down the ramp? So right now I have my ramp set up at 4 inches tall. So I'm going to put my car on the ramp and I'm going to let it go. And now I'm going to measure how far my car went. So my car went 11 inches. All right, fourth graders. So when my ramp was at a height of 4 inches, my car went 11 inches. Now I raised the ramp to a height of 6 inches. So let's see how far my car will go. So that's how far my car went. I'm going to now measure how far it actually went. All right, fourth graders. So I measured the distance my car went when the ramp was 6 inches, and it went 40 inches. Now, I raised my ramp to be 9 inches. So now I'm going to let my car go again. This is my last trial, and I'm going to see how far the car goes. All right, now I'm going to measure how far the car went. So I just finished measuring the distance the car went, and when the ramp was 9 inches tall, the car went a distance of 55 inches. So now we need to think, does the height of the ramp affect the distance the car goes? And does the height of the ramp affect how much potential energy the car has going down the ramp?